What's going on, beautiful bees? Thought I would give you an update on the garden. So I've been really busy lately trying to keep everything watered because we're experiencing a crazy heat wave in Canada. But I've been trying to stay on top of everything, and we've got zucchinis. Lots of zucchinis growing. There's a big one back there. Another massive big one there. We also have, I got broccoli growing here. We got beets down below in here. Lots and lots of lettuce. Carrots. I have kale. This is beans here that are growing on a trellis. Some dill. The grapevines are doing amazing, and I got some Carnation grapes back there. We got peas, which are coming in really nice, and got a trellis going here. Beautiful yarrow, just beautiful. I did want to mention these daisies are bringing in the bees, which is really good. Over here we have pumpkin, which is starting. And I got watermelon. So check out this beautiful little guy. So there's some people that say you should, possibly prune and cut the vine right after the fruit, so that the plant can put all its energy into this watermelon. But other people disagree and say just let the vine carry on, because you're gonna get a sweeter watermelon. So I'm just gonna experiment right now, see how it goes. So this is now a few weeks later, and check out all these guys. We got so many starting. And back there is our lovely tomatoes, as you guys can see, starting. So watermelon is doing really well in this heat. So just thought I'd give you guys an update as to what I've been up to. Lots of watering, lots of planting, grooming, and enjoying life. And I hope you guys are too. And let me know if you guys are planting anything, how you guys have been. Let me know down below. I'd be happy to hear from you. As always, be your beautiful selves. Be getting in some whole, healthy foods and some nature. When you do that, we'll all be rising.